up, everybody? I am back again with the next recipe. This is like a Jamaican staple. If you have ever lived in Jamaica before, I know you have probably have this a few times. It's tin mackerel, and there's so much named for tin mackerel, guys. So much named for tin mackerel. I'll definitely link it in my description, but this is how I make my version of it. And as you guys can see, I will be adding in some bell pepper, some purple onion. You guys can definitely use white onion. I decided to go with the purple onion because I already had it there and I used half of it earlier. I have some scotch bonnet pepper. And yeah, this is my way of doing it, and I'm just sharing it with you guys. It's very cost effective. It's not expensive. It's definitely go-to for most Jamaicans. So we're going to be serving it with some rice that I am cooking here. So let's get into how we cook this mackerel, okay? So here I have my pot and I'm adding some oil to that. I did went ahead, as you guys saw earlier, and removed some of the bones from the mackerel. So here I'm going in with my onion. I'm adding the onion first since they take a longer time to cook. And once they start getting translucent, then I will add in the rest of my fresh seasoning. So I'm going to separate these onions. I always do that. Wait until I add them to the pot, then try to separate them. But we're going to add in our onion. We're going to break them apart and let them start to cook. But tell me, what are some names that you guys have here for tin mackerel? But here I am going in with my bell pepper, onion, green onion, and scotch bonnet pepper. And we're going to bring that together. So I'm just going to let this saute for a bit until all the onion and bell pepper are cooked all the way through. Then I'll start adding in my mackerel. So after my onion and bell pepper start cooking, I went ahead and add in my powder seasoning. As I said, guys, this is my version. I know normally people might add the powder seasoning afterward, after they add the mackerel, but the reason why I did that is because after I add the mackerel, I don't want to go in really as much and break up the mackerel till it's like bits and pieces. So that's my way of doing that and why I add the season before, but it's still gonna get all that flavor and seasoning in it, and then you can always taste and adjust as you go. So I added in my mackerel and I am incorporating it with all that fresh herb and powder seasoning. I did went ahead and add some ketchup. This is definitely optional as well. And then I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for a while. And that's it. Quick, simple, and definitely easy. And as I said, it is a staple in Jamaica. You know where you're Jamaican and grew up in Jamaica, never have this at least once or twice in your life. But here we have our tin mackerel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.